Hi you guys, this is Lady Genuine, and this is a cooking tutorial. I'm going to cook potatoes and onions. The things you need is roasted potatoes, salt, pepper, garlic powder, or either garlic salt, paprika, and chili powder. As you can see, I cut up maybe about 6 potatoes, and they're boiling now. Right now, I'm about to add some salt. Just salt to taste. You can put as much as you like, depending on your taste. I'm about to put some black pepper in now. I put 2 or 3 dashes of garlic salt. Chili powder. I'll probably add about 3 dashes. Or 4. And last but not least, paprika. And I add as much as I like for that one. Okay. Now I'm going to stir. Slightly. Just so I can get everything mixed in. If you don't want, paprika or anything like that sticking to your potatoes. You want it to go directly in that water so it'll flavor the water and start getting good. Okay. Now I'm not going to add my onion right now because it needs to cook for maybe 15 minutes. But after that, that's when I add my onions. Of the potato and onions tutorial. While I was away, I let it cook for 15 minutes. I added my onions. Turned the heat down and had covered it and let it simmer. Right now, I am about to cover it again and let the onions kind of soften down slightly. You don't want them to get too soft. It depends on your taste, as I said earlier. Big shout outs to the Big Shirley Show, Bipolar Brad, and Nene Loves Troubles. Bipolar Brad was the one who gave me this idea of doing a tutorial, so big shout outs to him. They're really great people. Their information will be down below. Please go and subscribe to them because they're real funny and they're real inspirational. I love them guys. Love the guys. All right. Be back soon.